In this video, how to bypass Windows 11 Upgrade Assistant to upgrade Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. As you can see, this computer doesn't meet the requirements to perform an in-place upgrade to a newer version of Windows 11. To bypass this, search for and open Windows Registry Editor. First, navigate to this key. Change the upgrade eligibility value to 1. If the value does not exist, you can create it by creating a D-word value. Next, go to this key. Create a new D-word value with this name and set its value to 1. Close the Registry Editor and rerun the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. As you can see, we can now upgrade this computer to the latest stable version of Windows 11. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.